Well, hello. Hello, everyone. Yes,
Hello.
we are so
Hello.
cool. Thank you to our digital team for those intros. Chef's kiss. What's up, Rico?
What's up, Carla? You ready? I'm ready. I'm
I'm
nervous.
ready.
I mean, the last time we had this much people in one camera was Ben and Ben.
Oh my god, that was so fun because I remember Rico accidentally let in like fans. So
Yeah,
we ended up being so many online. But yes, what's up to everybody over on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch? We are live. We're also on air right now. And I know a lot of you guys are excited for our next guests because, well, they are embodying the modern Filipina. You know, she's sweet,
Mhm.
she's kind, she's pretty, but she's also talented, fierce, strong, independent, woman empowerment. Let's go, Rico. Intro. Now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. They are, if I'm not mistaken, a product of a reality show. These girls are here to change the world. Move over, Powerpuff Girls. Let's give it up for Beanie.
Hey, hi girls. Hello.
Morning!
Good
Hi.
morning. Thank you so much for joining us. Okay, before we get into the interview, there are 8 of you. So I want you girls to introduce yourselves. Rico told you to give a spiel, a little quote maybe to, describe yourself or whatever. So take it away, girls.
Mabuhay! Hi, I'm Bini Joanna, 17 from Laguna. I used to compete in radio and TV broadcasting.
Hi, I'm Bini Aya, 20 from Cebu. I used to be a model and I used to join pageants.
Hi, I'm Bini Colette, 19 from Bohol, and I love to read books.
Hi, I'm Bini Maloy, 19, from Cavite, and I love to play ukulele.
Hi, this is Bini Gwen, 18 from Albay, and I used to be a model and I do creative makeup.
Hi everyone, I'm Beanie Stacy, 17 from Nueva Vizcaya, and before I became a beanie, I was a beauty queen and a model.
Hi. Hi, I'm Bini Mika, and I'm 17 from San Juan, Manila, and I used to be an athlete.
Hi, I'm Bini Sheena, 17 from Isabela, and I've been dancing ever since I was 6 years old. And we are Bini!
Oh
Wait,
my
wanna hear
gosh.
that.
I feel like a judge at a pageant. I'm like,
Right?
very good. Very, very composed, very articulate. No, but girls, thank you for joining us. I mean, what an amazing story to have so many different girls from all different parts of the country all together in a group. I mean, that's fantastic. How did Beanie start? Because you guys are from all different parts of the country. So were some of you friends before this? Did some of you meet at certain projects? How did Beanie come to life?
Us girls, we all came from a different audition categories, and then some of us auditioned for PBB, for sing, for dance, and then we received a lot of callbacks. And then, ayun, parang nung sumalang po kami sa boot camp, dun na po namin parang oh my God.
Okay, don't be nervous.
Okay lang yan. You're all Miss Universe
And then,
today.
nung sumabak kami sa bootcamp, dun namin naalala, oh my God. Nung sumabak kami ng bootcamp, dun po namin parang nalaman yung about sa project. Yeah.
Then after bootcamp po, hindi pa po tapos ang lahat. Actually, sila lang yung nag-bootcamp. Ang hirap. Sila lang yung nag-bootcamp. Wala ako, tas si Ate Gwen. Wala ako, tas si Ate Gwen kasi nag-PBB kami. Then, ilang months pa na naging trainees kami. Then, nung December 2019 to January and February 2020, nag-Korean training po kami. Then,
Korean
nag-eliminate po. Then, dun po, naging final 8 kami nung February 2020.
Wow,
Alright,
very
well,
good. See,
you
we
know,
got through the story. Galing,
the
girls,
challenge is they're not supposed to say po. So we're making a
Yeah.
lot of money today.
So the
far, we're
monsters
gonna
that
do
understand, like don't
500.
understand, we are charging them 500 pesos for every po that is said
Yeah.
because we're not about that po life. But okay,
Yeah.
so that's how it started. may process pa ng elimination. So that must have been really scary. I mean, at one point, did any of you feel na, oh my gosh, matatanggal ako dito? Or did any of you doubt yourself na, nako, baka may eliminate ako? Because syempre, di ba, from a lot of girls, it was down to 8. So how did that feel for some of you na, did you ever think that baka may eliminate kayo?
Lahat po, dumaan po talaga.
1,000 pesos na yan, ha?
This is so fun. I could do this all day.
Lahat dumaan sa ganun. Ayoko na! Lahat dumaan sa ganung pag-iisip. Lahat kami one time. Narorong grammar na ako. Lahat kami umabot sa punto na gusto nang give up. Actually, may times na nag-uusap-usap lang kaming girls sa kwarto na tama na. na ganun na lang kasi sobrang nakakapagod na.
Hold on. You did mention boot camp. So, anong klaseng boot camp? So, hold on. Let's
Yeah.
start first with the show. What was the show called that you guys joined in? Tapos, ilang girls kayo naglalaban-laban? And then, was it really a sure 8 spots? Or para bang ginawa na lang 8, dapat 4 lang? How did it go?
Yes po, nung bootcamp po, nung bootcamp, meron pong 200 shortlisted. Sobrang dami namin that time. Like, as in, kailangan mo talagang mag-stand out sa mga gagawin mo. Kasi, everyday talaga may elimination. So, hindi mo talaga alam kung makakapasok ka ba or tatanggal na ba ako ngayon. Ganun. So, yung bootcamp, parang you have to sing and dance in front of Direk Lauren, in front of the head of the Star Hunt. Ganun. And then, ayun, sasayaw po kami and kakanta. Tapos, dun parang i-judge po kami. Parang i-judge kami ng mga head po talaga ng mga pipili. And then, hanggang sa everyday may tanggalan. So, everyday nababawasan kami. 200. And then, nababawasan kami. Hanggang sa naging shortlisted po kami and sumabak po kami sa training camp. And dun na po nag-start ang lahat.
And ang mahirap doon,
Go ahead.
and yung mahirap po doon, nabigla kami sa workout po, yun sa pangatlong araw na biglang pinag-workout kami and hindi kami sanay po na mag-workout tapos merong mga high knees, merong mga planking and wala po kaming idea at all sa mga workout.
I could imagine this.
Yeah.
But then, you have to be physically fit to be able to dance. And then
Yeah,
you
and
did
to be part of a
mention-
girl group, Rico, because
Yeah,
I mean, you hear all these stories about these famous K-pop groups like Blackpink, they work out tirelessly, they dance 16 hours a day to try to get the routine down. Were you girls fans of girl groups like that? Like going into this, is the reason why you joined or auditioned because idol mo yung mga taga Blackpink, or had you always wanted to be in a girl group at some point in your life? Like what made you decide that you were going to audition and go through this process kasi hindi siya madali, diba? I mean, you worked out, you did all sorts of things, so obviously it was hard work. Were you guys into girl groups ba? Is that why you joined?
Some of us were already K-pop fans before entering Star Academy trainees like me, Ate Colette, and Ate Maloy since second gen. Then, habang nasa training na nag-train din po kami na mag-cover po ng girl group songs. So, dun nag-start na parang yung ibang girls, wait, I love them too. Parang lahat actually
Na-influence din sila na magustuhan yung K-pop. Actually, ako personally, hindi wala akong balak na pumasok sa isang girl group and hindi rin unexpected din yung pag-audition ko. So, along the journey, doon na din nabuo yung parang yung dream ko as becoming a P-pop idol. So, sobrang worth it po. Sobrang worth it talaga nung journey na to.
So, for those that are tuned in, we do have Beanie. They are the new girl group that's being formed now, and they've been out there actually training. They did the whole Korean training and all. Now, for you guys as a group, sino yung malupit kumanta? Sino yung dancer? Sino yung, who has different skill set and everything?
May mga positions po kami sa group, pero sa lahat ng performance namin, syempre po, we aim to
na magawa po namin lahat po na maging all-rounder po. Yun po yung goal namin na makaya po namin lahat ng positions po. Pero may mga naka-assign position po sa amin.
Oh, nice. So it's like a
Oh,
band.
diba? Oo nga eh. They're like a crew. They're like a team. Okay.
Yeah.
So, from the elimination process and the trading, it's down to you 8, diba? Were you guys already very close by that time when it was decided na, oh, sige, all 8 of you, you will be Beanie. This is how it's gonna work. Like, kamusta naman yung feeling na when you found out that it was going to be you 8 as the group na final?
Actually, at first, when when it was announced that we were the final 8, still some of us had doubts of whether we would still be continuing or if we are the final 8, because we were not relaxed, because we wanted to still do our best and to show our worth here in Beanie. And when we were Beanie, we just had to still keep pushing through with the training. We still had to keep doing our best, and this is where we are now. And patuloy lang.
So when you guys are now part of this 8, what was the prize other than a recording contract and be part of the girl group? Was there like, is there like $1 million pesos for each of you guys? What was the prize?
No naman po. We didn't have like a million pesos contract, but well, we do have years of X years of how long we're gonna stay here, and in those in that duration of the X years, we're gonna have a lot of things to do. Like, we're gonna have concerts in the future, an album to make, performances, guestings, and we're all gonna do that while we are in the same house. Yeah, and we do that all together.
So,
And
you
I
guys
think-
live in the same house? You guys live in
Yes,
the
we
same
do
house?
live in the same. We've been living together since ever since more than 2 years. Yeah.
Wow, so it's like PBB all over again.
Oh my
That's
God.
cool.
Yes, it's like
How? How?
And then
8
just there-
girls, one house?
Right?
First
Is
of
there a
all, there are
camera?
certain cycles that sync. So are there fights? Like, are there tampuhan moments where it's like, do not talk to me. You stay in the sala. I'm going to the room. Have there been moments na ganon?
Yes po, siguro po hindi naman po maiiwasan since like yung mga tampuhan ganun pero napag-uusapan, and ayaw po namin yung parang may sama ng loob sa isa't isa, kaya hindi namin parang tinatapos yung araw na may tampuhan. Pinag-uusapan po namin.
Naks naman.
Pinag-uusapan po namin.
It's like a relationship. I like it. It's so cute. She goes, "Hello, is the mic on?" Okay. Also, for you guys, so you guys live in the same house. So is this a reality show as well? Na parang may camera? Is it a YouTube channel? Is it streaming somewhere that we could watch 24/7?
No, it's not a reality show. It's not like PBB. But before, when we used to train, when we were still in Star Hunt Academy, because we have vlogs before, so we used to do a lot of videos. And before, when we were still new, like when we weren't Beanie yet, and because there's also a time when we used to train with a lot of people, including BGYO. We used to train together. So that time, there were a lot of cameras. But actually, it was just that time. But now, since like we're all together and we have we're having our separate journeys now. There are no cameras anymore. But yeah, I guess the only time we get to have cameras is when we get to perform. We get to have interviews and guestings.
Now, BGYO got really, really big. Now, for you guys, what are the things that you've learned from them? And also, is there any pressure that you feel because you're the female version of BGYO?
Wala pong pressure po kasi same po kami ng pinagdaan ng training po, and alam po namin na deserve po talaga nila yung kung anong meron po sila, and una rin po silang nag-debut sa amin, so yung sunod-sunod na guestings, yung pagod po ba nila, syempre, they deserve po na to be known po talaga all over the world, and yung talent nila. Pero syempre, gusto po namin sundan and mas ma-inspire pa po sa kanila kasi mga kuya din po namin sila. And syempre, they're always there po to support us, and we're always here po to support them po.
That's a very good answer, contestant number 3.
I know. I really genuinely feel like they've also been trained for question and answer portions because
So cute.
they're actually like answering things really well. I love this.
Yeah, this is really, really great. Now, for you guys, how much has Beanie changed your life now? You guys are made now. Dumami ba yung kamag-anak ninyo? Are people messaging you? Are your exes making their presence felt all of a sudden?
We didn't like, for me, I didn't expect that my life would turn out to be like this, and I don't know if the other girls didn't also expect it, but it comes with a lot of sacrifice being here in this project, being in Beanie. But I could say that it's really worth it, all the sacrifices we did. And we did this because not only for our families, but we also did this for ourselves. And being here, we learned a lot of things, not just skill wise. We didn't grow in terms of singing, dancing, performing, but we grew as a person, and we grew how we are with other people, because we learned so much, like understanding each other's personalities, and we could use that in the future whenever we meet more people.
That's
So it's
really, really
world
cool.
domination. Based off of the
Yes.
comments on Facebook Live, it's world domination for you girls. I mean, we've been on lockdown for a year and 7 months, over a year. I don't even know how many. It's like lockdown every day. Pero girls, kamusta naman yun? Because, when lockdown happened, really, we couldn't do anything, right? So even artists, they couldn't have shows, they couldn't perform, they couldn't do guestings. What did you guys do with that time in lockdown? Did you train more? Did you practice more? Did you write songs? Like, kamusta naman yung lockdown experience being together, in a house, all 8 of you, you're a girl group. Kamusta naman yun? How was that like?
Nung time po na yun, sobrang na-down po kami kasi yun nga po, hindi po kami basta-basta na po makakauwi. Pero we took that as an advantage po para maging better po and maging strong yung band namin as a team, and para synchronize po kami sa mga sayaw namin. And madami po kaming hinanda nung time na yon kasi magpe-debut po kami. So, parang sign po yon ni Lord para magsama-sama po kami and mas maging strong nga po yung band namin.
And nung time na sobrang taas, dami pang cases, dumating po sa time na isa-isa po kami ng kwarto, bawal po kami magkita-kita. So, ginagawa po namin yung training through Zoom, through online lang po, through video call. And sobrang hirap kasi yung fact na mag-isa ka lang sa kwarto mo and kailangan mong suportahan yung sarili mo. You have to motivate yourself. And ayun, nung time na nagkasama-sama ulit kami, sobrang sarap sa feeling kasi yung fact na may nakakasama ka na ulit and may nagbo-motivate sa'yo every time na may ginagawa ka. And ayun, katulad ng sinabi, katulad po ng sinabi ni Colette na blessing in disguise talaga yung COVID na masamang nangyari siya, but meron siyang magandang naidulot din sa amin.
Well, you guys did something about it, which is actually cool. Now let's play a game. Yeah, let's get to know the group. You guys know each other. So we're gonna get to know you girls. Now let's play Who's Most Likely. So turo nyo na lang kung who's most likely.
Yeah, turo na lang.
All right, so here we go. We're with the girls of Beanie. Let's play a game here on the show. Who's most likely to be ligawin?
Yes. Opo, it's not our priority po ngayon.
Naka naman. Gusto ko
Wow! Okay.
Okay.
Noted.
Okay. But true, because career nga, di ba? So they're focused on that. Who's the heartbreaker of the group?
Day that the next.
I think it's Stacy.
Go. Wala po.
Grabe, why are they parang so wholesome and so nice? Parang I don't believe. Joke lang.
Yeah.
You girls live together. Who's the best cook? Yeah.
We don't cook po.
Because we do diet, so we have to control. We have nutritionist po. We have chef po.
They have a nutritionist.
They have a chef.
But
I made the wrong job.
we can cook.
Huh?
We all
But
can
it's just
cook.
that we're not allowed to cook every
Apo.
time.
Okay, so they are in camp. Yeah, that's right. They are in camp. Who's most likely to spend a lot of time doing TikTok dances?
It's Sheena.
That's obvious.
TikTok
Oh,
enthusiast.
sample. Sige, sample na. Isang TikTok dyan. Oh.
Rico,
They
do you
are
feel
hilarious.
old yet?
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay. Who has the best fashion sense? Like for you, sila yung pinakamagaling to dress up.
The fashionista of the group.
Yeah, everyone, I guess.
Ayoko na to.
Different
There's
fashion
no,
sense.
two best friends. Walang ano to. What do you call it, Rico? Laglagan? They're gonna
There's
stick
no,
together
there's
talaga
no
eh.
like,
Who spends the
so-
most money online? Online shopping.
It's Sheena.
Gwen also.
add to
Gwen
cart
and
queen.
Sheena.
Add to cart.
Add to cart queens. Okay. Go, Rico.
What was the weirdest thing you've ever bought online?
I bought fangs. I don't know why. It's so cool. But hindi ko siya nagamit. I don't know. It's just so cool. But no, it's just for fun, you know.
Okay.
Fangs,
How
the
about-
vampire.
Like people buy hair dryers, clothes, and then she up here like, yeah, I bought vampire fangs. No
Buy
biggie.
one, take
Free
one.
shipping kasi.
Si Aya din meron.
Ah, yeah.
If they buy a lot of clothes and shoes, I buy plates.
Tita.
Tita Aya, the tita of the group.
Because I find it so satisfying if I receive it, and I like buying
Vase.
house stuff. So
Yeah, I was gonna
can't
ask
wait to have
next
my own house in
kasi.
the future.
I was gonna ask sino yung tita ng group. Well, it's answered na for me. Good to know.
Her fashion sense is also
Oy, grabe
tita.
naman.
Tita-like.
Yan, naglagan na. Here we
There's
go.
no definition of tita.
Sorry.
No, it's just
So with you girls now being part of this group, who is the most famous person you've ever met? I know it's a social distancing thing. Probably met online, nagpakilala sa inyo, nag-DM sa inyo. Who's
Gary
the
V?
most famous person?
a lot actually. But we've performed with Sir Gary
Miss
Valenciano.
KZ
and that was so nice.
Tandingan, Sir Bamboo.
Wow. Oh my
A lot.
gosh, ang dami. Okay, how about dream collaboration? Like a local and international artist or group that you'd love to collaborate with.
Actually, we've been talking about this a lot, and we really want to collaborate with Miss Sarah Geronimo or Miss KZ Tandingan. And if international, we really are a fan of this girl group. They're also close to our age gap, and we just really love them so much how they perform, and that we think we would just vibe because of the age and what they went through also.
All right, girls, with groups like, the Spice Girls and all these groups throughout the years, there'll come a time na you guys will go on in your solo careers. I know right now, kayo lahat medyo solid pa and everything. But through the years, as it goes on, how would each of you guys want to be remembered? Like, will you want to be famous in which department, if ever? 10 years from now, 20 years from now, where do you see yourselves?
Me, if I'm not in the group or in the future, it would be nice, and I would love to be known as an actress. I really want to pursue acting, and I really want to have my own business. I want to be a businesswoman in the future. I don't know. I just want to be a boss of my own world. Yeah.
She's gonna sell some plates. Go get it, girl.
Sell some plates!
Yeah, you got business. That's right. Okay, go ahead. Right. Okay, the others?
Yes, I would love to pursue my dream of becoming a model someday, and becoming a beauty queen as well, and an actress if yes, and a pilot someday din.
Pilot.
Yes,
Oh,
mangangarap na tayo, so taasan na natin.
True.
Correct.
Literally.
Very
Yeah,
true. Who
so
else?
true, so
Go.
true.
For
TikTok
me,
star.
For me, I want to be known as the Bini Bunso dancing machine because ever since washing machine, ever since it was my dream to become a dancer, a choreographer, or an artist, and hindi ko po ito nasasabi, pero I actually wanted to be a doctor before. It was either doctor or artist. But now I'm artist, so goodbye, doctor.
I love her.
Abandon that dream quick. All right, how about you?
Ako naman, since I write songs po, gusto ko po i-pursue din pa din po yung pagiging performer po. And soon po, malalabas ko po and makakanta ko po yung mga sinusulat ko pong kanta.
Galingan mo kasi marami ka ng post na sinabi, so you have to pay a lot. Okay?
Oh, sorry.
All right, thank you. All right, how about the others in the back? Hi.
For me naman, I really, also like Ate Aya, I would like to maybe be an actress. And then, I also wanted to start my own business, but I still don't know like what I want to do about that. And I want to build like shelters or those kind of stuff because I really like to help people and I love to help animals. So yeah.
Thank you, Binibini 33. Next.
Advocacy. Maybe me, gusto kong maging singer someday. But also, I want to be a teacher. I want to teach kids, kindergarten, babies like that.
Me naman po, I really want to be a radio and TV broadcaster po talaga. And to be an actress also po. Tapos minsan, bigla na lang pag may salamin nakatapat, aarte, ganun po.
Sample.
Sample, game.
Sample.
Mirror. 3, 2, 1, go.
Isa pa, sorry. 3, 2, 1. Hindi ako si Celine. So stop compare me to her. Kung nandyan siya, nasan ako? Anong lugar namin gustong magmahal sa'yo? Yan lang po. Thank you po.
Wow! And the famous goes to... Love it!
All right, last but not the least.
Me, ever since it's my ultimate dream to become an actress and a model.
Hindi!
Kontrabida ka, ikaw si Celine.
Pero like, gusto ko siya matry. Or model. Yun na lang. Hindi mo yun. Model na lang ako. Mag-model. Yan, model. And I want to finish my studies and become a flight attendant.
Okay.
Grabe. You know what I love? You girls are all in one group. You're so close to each other, but you're all so different. Your personalities, your interests. Like, syempre, like a few if you want to be actresses and whatever. But it's nice to see na so many different girls are so close and they build each other up. I think that's so fantastic. So congratulations, guys. Kasi it's not every day that you meet a girl group na ganun ka-sweet and supportive to each other. And that's how girls should be. Girls shouldn't tear each other down. They should lift each other up. So, props to you. Sa totoo lang.
Thank you.
Ganda na tong group.
I like that they're
Rico.
clapping all in sync too. But thank you, girls.
you.
Invite everybody. What else is in store for the group for 2021? July na. Medyo we're gonna get to the Burr months. Is there gonna be a Christmas album? Is there gonna be a show, a concert for you girls?
Yeah, we'll be releasing our album within this year, but we can't share the details yet. And we also prepare 4 different versions of Born to Win with different languages, which are the Thai, the Spanish, the Bahasa, and Japanese. So stay tuned. This is going to be exciting. And we're going to have a collaborative concert with our brother group, BG.
Wow.
So exciting.
All right. How about message? Joke lang. Go. Ang dami.
And don't forget to stream Born to Win on Spotify, Apple Music, and other digital streaming platform worldwide, and also our music video with almost 800K views on YouTube.
And follow us on our social media account, Beanie_PH on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Beanie Official on YouTube.
Wow.
Beanie_PH on Kumu.
Dami. Okay, how about your message to all of your fans? Because they have been flooding the comment section with so much love and support. Message for all of the Beanie fans.
Hi, Bloom! Thank you po sa pagpapatrending sa atin ngayon. And thank you also po sa inyo po na for having us, Beanie. And we're so glad po na makilala po kayo. Sobrang sa inyo po kausap. And sa mga supporters po namin and sa mga bago pa lang po na susuporta sa amin, we are Beanie. And marami pa po kaming ipapakita sa inyo na mas level up performances po. So, watch out.
Can you teach us that sign that you guys do? What's that? That
2 checks po. 2 checks and then
all right.
connect.
All
Right over there.
Okay. See, I'm
Wow.
learning. I'm
Rico,
learning
why?
gang
Do you
signs
want to
from
be
you
a
girls.
member of Beanie?
Dude,
I think you're a little overage, but it's fine. We can
I
make
can be
it work.
Steve Harvey for them. I can be their
You can
Steve
be the
Harvey.
tito of the group. But girls, thank you so much.
thank you.
Congratulations. We look forward to all of the new music that you will release this year. And of course, all of the amazing surprises and performances coming up. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Beanie!
Thank you.
There you go, Carla.
That was
Oh,
too
what a
cute.
fighter.
That was really cute. That was I felt very uplifted. I don't know about you,
Mhm.
but I felt pretty good.
Empowered. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? And
True.
it's so cool that they all stand by each other every channel. I mean, I wish they would have like a reality channel that we
That
could
would be
all watch.
fun.
Right?
Yeah.
Like if somebody's going through something and we get to watch them. But yeah, this is something that we're gonna look forward to. Continue to support the group. If you're into P-pop, do support them and get to catch their adventures where they'll be in a few years from now. But Beanie is a group to watch out for Facebook, for YouTube, and for Twitch. She is Carla Aguas.
He's Rico Robles Live.
Monster exclusive interview only on Manila's hottest Monster RX 93.1.